Since the time of the Apostle Paul, the name Areopagus has often been used in Christian history to represent the intersection of Christian faith and culture. In first-century Athens, the Areopagus functioned as a philosophical forum for the exchange of ideas, and it was there that Paul first brought the gospel of Jesus Christ to Europe. Today, the Areopagus is an Atlanta-based Christian education ministry and study center that offers seminars, workshops, and forums on topics relevant to contemporary Christian life and ministry. The mission of the Areopagus is to equip and educate Christians to effectively engage our society with the life-transforming truth and love of Jesus Christ. To this end, we offer substantive courses along with workshops and topical forums that challenge Christians to live faithfully and consistently in accord with the principles and practices of a holistic biblical worldview. Founded in 2003 by Dr. Jeffrey Beshears, the Areopagus sponsors dozens of events each year in venues throughout the metro Atlanta area. The Areopagus sponsors 3 regular programs in addition to other special events. The Areopagus Seminar Series features courses for Christians who want to broaden and deepen their understanding of the Christian faith and contemporary culture. These seminars are offered at a nominal cost and are taught by gifted instructors who are experts in their field, and include topics in biblical studies, Christian history, apologetics, contemporary cultural issues, contemplative spirituality, and literature and the arts. The Areopagus Forum Series features lectures, debates, and other presentations by outstanding Christian scholars, authors, and activists. Forums normally include a formal presentation and an extended question-and-answer session, and offer Christians a unique opportunity to interact with some of the great minds in contemporary Christianity. Forum topics include Christian apologetics, history, science, philosophy, and contemporary social and cultural issues, along with reviews and critiques of significant books and documentary films. God in the Arts, Theological Themes in Movies and Music, is a cultural apologetic series that analyzes and critiques the social, political, moral, and spiritual content in films and popular music from both an aesthetic and a Christian worldview perspective. This series also includes a unique 5-part study, American History Off the Record. Based on a course that Dr. Beshears developed at Georgia State University, this series uses popular music of the time to analyze some of the key themes in American history from World War I and World War II through the 60s era. Thank you for attending this Areopagus presentation, and we value your involvement and support of this ministry. For more information on the Areopagus, please visit our website at www.theareopagus.org.